cotton. Good day, I am Fresh Kababat, and today I will be performing bed making of the bed. First is to prepare the needed materials. Then stock linens in order of use. Next is to make bed as follows. Next is to make bed as follows. Loosen top linens, then place linens to be reused, then reuse folded on back of the chair. Raise or lower bed to comfortable working height, then assist patient to side lying position close to bed rail, exposing half of the bed. Mamisin papa mo outside. Then position pillow under head and have head of bed in flat position. Then put soiled linen and linen bag, avoiding contact with uniform. Next is to cover patient with top sheet while replacing the bottom linens unless too soiled. Then next is to loosen bottom linens on side of bed opposite patient from head to toe. Roll and tuck soiled linen and draw sheet along patient's leg, back, and shoulder. Then next is along the center and one half of the bed, unfold clean mattress pad. Then metering corner. Tuck in top and bottom of sheet, metering corners of unfitted sheet. Then tuck in and end of sheet will under mattress. Then lay a triangular fold of sheet of bed. Then tuck end of sheet under bed. And then pull triangular fold down over mattress and tuck under. Since the bed is assuming that the bed is too small and walang isa. Diba amon? Next is to in center middle of bed, place draw sheet and tuck under mattress. Add waterproof pad if needed. This will be the sheet. next is to fanfold fanfold excess bottom sheet and draw sheet lengthwise in center of bed and tuck under soil linen at back of patient, taking care to ensure there's no wrinkles. Then next is to roll patient carefully. Panfold. Sige, panfold excess. Then roll patient carefully over top linen in center of bed, ensuring the bed rails are lowered, are raised, assuming that the bed rails are already raised. Raised. Ma'am, i-tap yung kasawang end na. Pag-roll po na tayo. Next is move the opposite side of patient and lower the rail, the bed rail, and begin removing bottom linen, then dispose linen appropriately. Then next is to unfold clean linen from under the patient and ensuring smooth and tight fit and tuck accordingly. Then man. Then place clean top sheet over patient pulling the soil top sheet out from under glass and then next is to stop. Place clean top sheet. Then remove the one under the two. Coming out of it. Then dispose it properly. Next is to put blanket and or bedspread over top sheet with a 2 to 4 inch puff at the top. So ito yan. bed with metered corners and toe plant as then next is to remove sold pillowcase by inverting open end of case back over close and replace with clean sheets. Assuming that I have already changed the pillow covers. Now it's done. Then next, then lastly is that most hospitals do not require documentation of bed making. However, any observations or safety precautions should be addressed, like in which bed in low position, side rails, raised. Then lastly is to assess for any soiled areas. Mga double. Okay.